The earth begins with us. I am small, but hear me say, I can help in my own way. I throw my trash where it belongs. A clean community makes us strong. I turn off lights when they are not needed. Saving energy is a promise completed. I close the faucet drop by drop. Saving water should never stop. I plant a tree. I watch it grow. It gives us shade, more than we know. I love the flowers, the birds, the sky. I protect nature as the days go by. I reduce waste. I reuse too. A greener earth starts with me and you. Today I choose to do what's right for our earth, shining green and bright. Together we care. Together we stand. A better tomorrow starts with our hands. I am a child. I am responsible. I am an earth protector. The earth begins with us.